The cocktail that I'm doing right now is one of those cocktails where I'm like, how did I not think about this? How did I not invent this? This is such a no-brainer and it's such a good idea. The San Diego bartender who created, Sean O'Connor Combi, is a genius. You're a genius, and I just wanted to say that. He created this cocktail for a bar named Jay and Tony's Discount Cured Meats and Negroni Warehouse in San Diego, California.
Oh, we've done stuff from them.
We did it like a long time ago. We did one cocktail from them, and the cocktail was great. And this one I think is gonna be great too.
That was also kind of a weird cocktail. It was like something, yeah.
Yes, I don't remember exactly. I mean, we've done so many cocktails since then. I really don't remember what it was, but I do remember that we did do that. I did pull this recipe again from the Madrusin Complete Cocktail Companion up there on our shelves. I'm so glad that I got a pre-copy of this. It is available everywhere. I definitely believe we'll be having this in our store pretty shortly because it is a fantastic book and everyone should go buy it. Let's get into it. We're gonna make this in a mixing glass, and we're gonna try and do it before my nicely tempered ice here is completely gone. I feel like the sharp edges are not so sharp anymore. All right, let's do it. So Liqueur 43, starting with the cheapest, well, not cheapest ingredient, but this is the cheapest ingredient because it's the lowest volume ingredient. So 1/4 ounce of our Liqueur 43, 1/4 ounce coffee liqueur. I mean, this is just like, of course this is the spec. Of course we should have figured out this cocktail. Somebody needed to create this cocktail. 1 ounce of cognac, 1 ounce rye whiskey, keeping with our old fashioned theme here. I mean, I guess old fashioned can be made out of anything, but you know, that's the original. Damn it. That is not cool. Luckily, it's an easy to move fridge. All right, let's clean these. Back to business. You know what? I think I tempered this too much. It's like, let's get that back in the freezer while we make the cocktail. It's not even that hot in here today. Add some ice to your stirring glass. And give it a whirl. And honestly, you don't have to worry about overstirring because you definitely won't, but you could actually understir this cocktail because it's going on a tempered piece of ice and it's gonna be sitting on that ice for a little while. If you understir it and make it a little hotter, you'll get a little bit more life out of it. You just wanna make sure that you chill it enough. Nice piece of ice though. So nice. And then pour. Now you can pour right on top of the ice and it won't crack. Get a little extra dilution there. Can't forget the garnish. There we go, cheers. It is everything you think that a Carajillo Old Fashioned should be. You've got the rye whiskey and the cognac is bringing up the spine of the cocktail. You also get a little bit of that rye character. It's lightened up a bit by the cognac. And then of course you get the Liqueur 43 in the coffee, which is the star of the show. And you get some nice aromatics from the beans on the ice. It's a pretty simple cocktail, but it's a really pleasing one. And it is a fantastic nightcap. There it is, the Carajillo Old Fashioned. Today's Educated Barfly video is sponsored by The Educated Barfly. I don't know if you guys know this, some of you do, some of you don't, but we've got lots of really good products in our store and we are constantly adding to those products. One of our very new additions, freeze-dried garnishes. So whereas a dehydrated garnish gives you sort of like a more tea-like caramelized scent, the freeze-dried version of that is a little bit brighter, and then all the sugars when you freeze dry it come to the surface, and so you get a very bright, fresh orange flavor. These guys have been a real big hit since we put them in the store. We're getting lots of orders for them. We also have a little bit of glassware. We have our now kind of iconic Nick and Nora style glass that we did in a regular and honeycomb pattern. This is a 6-ounce glass, kind of Nick and Nora style. And we have a brand new, more coupe style glass. It's 7 ounces. We also have the honeycomb pattern in this as well. So if you're a fan of the channel and you want to help us out, this is a very good way to help the channel and then also get something out of it. A lot of this is the glassware that you see in our videos, and so you'll be able to recreate the same cocktails that we make in the studio at home with the best possible recipes, the best possible instructions, and now the best possible glassware and garnishes.